Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW M3 versus the Corvette. Both are legendary performance vehicles, but they offer very different driving experiences. The M3 is known for its sophisticated engineering and daily usability, while the Corvette delivers exhilarating power and a distinct sports car feel. We'll explore their performance, practicality, and overall value to help you determine which car aligns better with your preferences. Let's dive in. When it comes to performance, both cars are incredibly potent. The BMW M3 often features a powerful twin-turbo inline-six engine, delivering impressive horsepower and torque. It's renowned for its balanced chassis and precise handling, making it a joy on winding roads. The Corvette typically boasts a large, naturally aspirated V8, offering a more raw and aggressive power delivery. Its mid-engine layout provides exceptional grip and a truly visceral driving experience. Both are thrilling, but in different ways. Beyond raw power, practicality and value are key considerations. The BMW M3, with its 4 doors and a usable back seat, offers a level of daily usability that the Corvette simply cannot match. It's a true performance sedan. The Corvette, however, is a dedicated 2-seater sports car, designed purely for driving excitement. While both can start around $70,000, the M3 often provides more versatility for its price, especially if you need to carry more than one passenger. Consider your daily needs carefully. So, which car is better? It truly depends on your priorities. If you're looking for a high-performance vehicle that can also serve as a comfortable and practical daily driver for a small family, the BMW M3 is an outstanding choice. Its blend of luxury, power, and usability is hard to beat. However, if your primary goal is unadulterated sports car excitement, a thrilling 2-seater experience, and a car that turns heads everywhere, then the Corvette is likely the better fit. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.